Uncover the secrets of Heraklion, a city where ancient history and modern allure converge to create a captivating destination on the island of Crete. Here are the best things to do in Heraklion, Greece. Number 10. Heraklion Old Town. Welcome to Heraklion Old Town, where history comes alive and the charm of ancient Crete awaits. Wander through its delightful streets and get ready to be enchanted by its rich traditional Cretan lifestyle. Explore the famous Koules Fortress and the majestic Venetian walls of Heraklion, both testament to the city's fascinating history and stunning architecture. But that's not all. The Heraklion Archaeological Museum is a fantastic place to be. Discover unique artifacts that unravel the secrets of ancient Crete, making it a true paradise for knowledge seekers. As the day winds down, take a leisurely stroll through the quaint local shops filled with one-of-a-kind keepsakes. And don't forget to treat yourself to the delicious local cuisine at the city's many restaurants. Number 9. Palace of Knossos. Go on a cultural exploration at the Palace of Knossos, a vivid testament to the advanced civilization of Minoans, thriving here 4 millennia ago. The Minoans weren't just good, they were absolute pros in architecture and art. They built an elaborate trade center, a vibrant textile industry, and a hub of religious activities. Absorb rich history by strolling through labyrinthine designs, reflecting the intricacies much talked about in Greek mythology. Marvel at the striking ruins defying time and enjoy the spectacular views stretching far into the azure Aegean sea waters. Additionally, take in the awe-inspiring remnants of this ancient civilization and picture how life must have been within these walls. Number 8. Koules Fortress. Koules Fortress is an incredible place you simply can't ignore when you're in Heraklion. This magnificent structure stands tall at the entrance of the old port, boasting centuries of history. Built by the Venetians in the 16th century, it's been carefully restored over the years, maintaining its original charm. When you wander through the fortress, you'll be transported back in time, surrounded by interesting stories of the past. Don't miss the chance to take in the breathtaking panoramic views from the fortress's highest point. Feast your eyes on the stunning harbor and cityscape below. Besides its historical significance, the fortress also hosts lively art exhibitions and cultural events, adding an extra layer of appeal. Number 7. Heraklion Archaeological Museum. If you're a history enthusiast or simply curious about ancient civilizations, the Heraklion Archaeological Museum is the right place to visit. This engaging museum showcases a diverse collection of intriguing artifacts dating back from the Neolithic period to the Roman era. As you explore the impressive galleries, you'll be amazed by the ancient Egyptian trade objects, intricate clay models of houses, and the fascinating examples of Linear A and Linear B scripts. The recent renovations have elevated the museum into a more amazing space. The exhibits not only feature the renowned archaeological sites from Feistos, Malea, and Zakros, but also shed light on lesser-known discoveries, enriching our understanding of Cretan history. Number 6. Cathedral of St. Minas. As one of the largest cathedrals in Greece, the Cathedral of St. Minas offers a delightful experience you won't want to miss. Imagine being part of an event with up to 8,000 people in this spectacular Greek Orthodox cathedral dedicated to St. Minas, the patron saint of Heraklion. Take a moment to appreciate the history behind this place. The cathedral was built in the late 19th century and maintains the seat of the Archbishop of Crete. One of the highlights of the Cathedral of St. Minas is a striking statue of Jesus that stands tall within its walls. The intricate decorations and artwork inside will leave you in awe, providing a serene and spiritual atmosphere. Don't forget to attend one of the religious services or events held throughout the year. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Heraklion experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 5. Day Trip to the Palace of Feistos. Take a day trip to the Palace of Feistos to dive into ancient Greek history and the Minoan civilization. This archaeological site has so much to offer and is perfect for history enthusiasts. Start your adventure from Heraklion and get ready for immense sightseeing opportunities as you make your way to this site. While you're there, gaze at the grandeur of Minoan architecture as you wander through the 4 wings encircling a central courtyard, a testament to the greatness of their engineering skills. And as you explore further, discover the intriguing stories behind the ruins and imagine life during that time. Number 4. Venetian Lacha. Another important place you shouldn't miss is the Venetian Lacha. This place is like a living piece of history, showing off the city's amazing architecture from way back when. With its elegant design, it's considered the most beautiful example of Venetian architecture in the city. Originally constructed during the Venetian rule, the Lacha has seen a lot of changes over the centuries. But now, after being restored to its former glory, it stands proudly as the Town Hall of Heraklion. Stepping inside, you can't help but admire the craftsmanship and historical significance of this place. The intricate carvings on the walls and the detailed frescoes on the ceilings will capture your attention. Number 3. Motocini Fountain. For a relaxed activity, head over to the Motocini Fountain, also known as the Lion's Fountain. This historical landmark, built in 1629 by architect Motocini, has an interesting backstory. It served as the endpoint of an aqueduct that once brought fresh drinking water to the city from Mount Siloritis. You'll be greeted by 4 majestic lion sculptures, symbols of Venetian power, gracefully pouring water into a decorative basin. During the Venetian period, this fountain played a vital role in providing essential water to the people. Feast your eyes on the intricately designed stone structure that proudly showcases Venetian architectural style. Number 2. Dulufakis Winery. Uncover what makes Cretan wine so special at Dulufakis Winery. If you're a wine enthusiast, this place should be on your radar. Here, you won't just find excellent wines, but also delightful olive oils and cheeses, all locally produced in Crete. The winery holds a fascinating history of wine growing, making your visit even more appealing. The best part? The wine tasting tours are a blast. Forget snooze fest lectures. These tours are pure joy. You'll dive deep into Greek wine culture, learning how they work their magic to create those delectable wines. Beyond the exquisite beverages, Dulufakis Winery's picturesque location amid lush vineyards and breathtaking landscapes creates a truly enchanting ambience. Number 1. Day Trip to Cave of Zeus. Looking for a more exhilarating adventure away from Heraklion? Go on a memorable day trip to the Cave of Zeus. Explore its grandeur and allure as you venture into the main chamber, measuring an impressive 130 by 160 feet. Inside, marvel at the natural formations and stalactites that adorn the walls, allowing you to know more about Greek mythology and history. According to legend, this cave is believed to be the birthplace and upbringing location of Zeus, the father of gods. Although there's some debate about this claim, with another cave vying for the title, visiting the Cave of Zeus offers a unique chance to delve into ancient tales while experiencing gripping natural beauty. Click here for more things to do in Greece.